your outline in the dark and hear the blood run in your heart when we're in each other's arms. The stillness of the night is here with all the riot of our fear. Try and reopen our scars, but nothing in this life is real, and time alone won't help to heal. Getting to the hardest part. Time is running out for us, and all our dreams will turn to dust. Never dream it'd be so hard. It's tearing me apart. Must be something that I can do. I'm through with chasing scars and howling at the moon. I'm done with being young. I'm waiting for life to start. You're not the only one who's got a fragile heart. Now I see the lights go down and all the faces in the crowd disappear into the dark. And all the songs that we once sung sound so much better in the sun. A better place to make a start. 'Cause happy ends are just a ruse. You try to win and that's when you lose. It's peace we need to feel safe. And time is ticking on, my dear. There's nothing left for us to fear. There's no one left to play the game. It's tearing me apart. Must be something that I can do. I'm through with chasing stars and howling at the moon. I'm done with being young. I'm waiting for life to start. You're not the only one who's got a fragile heart. It's tearing me apart. Must be something that I can do. I'm through with chasing scars and howling at the moon. I'm done with being young. I'm waiting for life to start. You're not the only one who's got a fragile heart. Now I see the lights go down and all the faces in the crowd disappear into the dark. And all the songs that we once sung sound so much better in the sun. A better place to make a start.